Tip 1. Steamed eggs with tomatoes. First, I heat the pan and then add some cooking oil. Next, you need to finely chop 1 tomato. Tomatoes have a slightly sweet and sour taste, which helps to balance the richness of the egg dish. Eggs add fat and protein. When cooked together, the umami flavor is enhanced, making the dish more flavorful. Once the pan started to heat up evenly, I added the chopped tomatoes to create the base for the sauce. Next, I chopped the bell peppers into small pieces. Red bell peppers are quite nutritious, despite being low in calories. They are one of the richest sources of vitamin C, which helps support immunity, create collagen for the skin, and improve iron absorption. In addition, bell peppers contain beta-carotene and vitamin A, which support eye and skin health and provide antioxidant benefits. They are rich in antioxidants, such as lycopene and capsanthin, which help protect cells from free radicals. They are high in fiber, which aids digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness. After finely chopping the bell peppers, add the chopped bell peppers and mix well. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to enhance the flavor. Continue stirring to ensure the spices are evenly distributed. Finally, add about 70 grams of shredded cheese. When heated, the cheese begins to melt slowly, blending into the tomato sauce and vegetables below, creating an incredibly appealing aroma. Finally, I gently cracked 3 eggs directly onto the surface. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. And covered it with a lid so that the heat inside would slowly cook the eggs. This method cooks the egg very lightly, almost like a poached egg. The egg white slowly solidifies, while the yolk inside remains soft and creamy, making it very appealing. When you open the lid, you'll see the egg on top of a red sauce with gently stretched cheese underneath. It looks incredibly appetizing and is perfect to eat with hot, crispy bread. Tip 2. Eggs with chicken wings. First, I prepare about 500 grams of clean chicken wings and add a little salt and pepper. Then add a teaspoon of chili powder and olive oil. Then mix well so that the spices are evenly distributed. After mixing thoroughly, cover with plastic wrap and let it sit for about 20 minutes. While waiting for the chicken to marinate, I cracked 2 eggs into a bowl. Add a little salt and pepper. Next, I added about 180 milliliters of fresh milk and mixed until the mixture became smoother. Next, I added about 180 milliliters of fresh milk and mixed until the mixture became smoother. At this point, the chicken wings have reached the required cooking time. Once the oil was hot, I added the chicken wings one by one and fried them until golden brown on both sides. When the chicken wings are golden brown on the underside, use tongs to flip them over evenly. It's wonderful to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Once the outer skin was slightly crispy, I removed the chicken from the pan and placed it on a plate. Next, cut the onion in half, then chop it finely. Then add it to the pan. Onions contain many natural antioxidants and vitamin C, and when heated, they gradually soften with a pleasant, mild sweetness. Next up are carrots. This root vegetable is rich in beta-carotene, a nutrient that the body can convert into vitamin A, commonly known for its role in supporting eye and skin health. Next, I added the mushrooms to the pan. Mushrooms contain many natural minerals and, when heated, begin to release their distinctive aroma, enhancing the flavor of the dish. Next comes the bell pepper, an ingredient with a very striking color and a fairly high amount of vitamin C. When stir-fried, bell peppers retain their slight juiciness and make the overall dish look much more appealing. Finally, add a clove of minced garlic. When heated, the garlic releases a very distinct aroma and blends with the remaining butter and chicken broth in the pan to create an incredibly appealing fragrance. I added some parsley to enhance the light, fresh aroma of the vegetables below. Once all the vegetables were tender and their flavors had begun to blend together, I gently placed the golden brown, fragrant chicken wing back on top of the vegetables. Then, I slowly poured the egg and milk mixture into the pan. The mixture began to seep into the spaces between the vegetables and chicken wings, evenly coating the entire surface underneath. And this is where the dish truly began to transform. I lowered the heat and gently covered the pan. The eggs slowly solidified, absorbing all the juices from the vegetables and the aroma of the chicken and butter remaining in the pan. After just a few minutes, you'll start to smell the aroma spreading throughout the kitchen, and that's when the dish becomes much more appealing than it initially looked. Now, I gently transferred everything to a plate and began to enjoy it. The chicken wings were golden brown and fragrant on the outside, but still soft and juicy on the inside. The egg layer underneath was rich, creamy, and had absorbed all the flavors from the butter, chicken broth, and vegetables in the pan. So today we've completed 2 incredibly delicious dishes with eggs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is my motivation to continue sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.